Hi guys, I'm Amy Justing Me. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys, talking to you guys while I do my hair and my makeup. So if you want to catch up with what's the latest with me, make sure you keep on watching. We'll be doing a little bit of natural hair as well, talking teeny bit about boys and just generally what's been going on. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We're looking good. We're feeling good. Stay tuned. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Justing Me, and today we got a different look, nah? Yes, I know I look about 16, but I just got out the shower and I just washed my hair, and I thought I'm gonna film like a live update. Might as well give you guys a hair update as well, seeing as some people get really triggered by the fact that I wear wigs. We are not bald. We have our hair natural. We're trying to grow it out, keep it full. You guys trying to see how long it is. I'm trying to grow it out, keep it full, keep it natural, but it's hard. But we're doing what we can. I mean, it's certainly growing, but it could grow a lot faster. I'm actually meant to be going to a Can2 event tomorrow in London, but I don't know if I'm actually going to go. But I wanted to go just so I could learn a little bit more about how to like manage style and keep my natural hair healthy. Yeah, for those people that are like triggered by natural hair or something, or like natural hair obsessed, like, do you hate your natural hair? You must hate your hair. You always wear wigs. No, I wear wigs to protect my natural hair while I grow it. And I showed my natural hair a few months ago, so definitely not ashamed of it. Just wish it was longer. But it's fuller than it used to be, so I'm happy with that. The main thing I'm not happy with is my edges here. Like the last time I showed my hair, I was showing you guys the products that I'm using now to grow my edges back, and it's been working really well. Especially here, I feel like they're pretty much fully all back. But I need to bring some more hair back to my hairline here, and all of this, like, I need to bring that back. I'll link the product I'm using because it does really work. It's like this chibi powder that the Chad women use in Africa. It's amazing. But other than that, I've actually also decided that I'm going to stop using the #1 killer. Wait. I'm going to stop using the #1 killer of black edges, the Got To Be, for a month. I'm going to give my edges a break from Got To Be for a month, but your girl is not ready to be rocking her natural hair out and about, so I had to find me a wig that didn't require any glue. Just packing my natural hair back into it. It always makes it look like I'm bald. I'm not bald. But yeah, that's in a low ponytail, but I had to get me a wig basically that didn't require any Got To Be, any like hairspray, because that's what has been pulling out my edges, and I just want to give them a break, give them a chance to grow back. So I got a lace wig from Unice Hair. I've worked with Unice. I've used their hair so many times now that like I'm never surprised by, you know, what comes. I already know it's going to be what I ordered. It's going to look like the pictures. So I got this hair. It's 14 inches. It's pretty full. It's 130 density, but it's still really full. It's super shiny, super glossy. I got it in a water wave, and it came cut into a bob. Like you can see that this side's a little bit longer than the other side, and I like it. All I've done so far is I put in a few baby hairs. I'll put it on my head first, but what I like the most about this wig is no lace glue needed. So I'm going to start getting ready, and I'm just going to talk to you guys about my life. This hair, of course, will be linked in the description box. Unice hair are bomb. At the moment, what I've got in it is water and some mousse. I want at the end, we will see just how well the hair styled. I might make it a little bit fluffier, but yeah, we will see. By the way, there are clips on each of the sides. So if I'm not going to be laying the hair down with any Got To Be spray, you still need to secure your wig, girl. You can't be walking around. So I've just clipped that pin in there. There's one here. I'm just going to clip in the final one on this side. And that way I know the hair, ooh, 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 ooh. It's not coming off. But let's slide you back into place. Okay guys, so what is new in the world of Mimi? I don't know, like, I feel like I'm changing. I'm like, I've got quite a lot on at the moment, like what's changing, and I'm just gonna talk you guys through it now. But I would say one of the main things I've been feeling very recently is very fed up with work. Like, I've only been in my new job for about 3-4 months, and I only work part-time, so I work 2.5. Yeah, I work 2.5 days a week, and I'm already finding myself getting fed up. Not of the job per se, because I actually enjoy what I do. Like, I like the job, I like the people that I work with, but I'm finding it harder and harder to get up in the morning and go to work. And like, I only have to get up in the morning two days a week, and I'm finding it so hard. But like, whenever I'm like, no, I'm gonna call in sick, I'm not going in today, I do some mental maths, and I'm like, yeah, Mimi, you can't afford to get fired, and you can't afford to quit, so you need to get your ass up and go to work. So I feel like we all have that, don't we? But obviously for me, the main goal that I'm working towards is being able to quit, you know, my part-time job in a few months. But I don't know, how do you guys deal with it when you're feeling a little bit like demotivated with work? You're not excited, you're not passionate about what you're doing, you don't want to get up in the morning. Like, how do you guys cope with it? What do you do to kind of get that excitement and revigoration? Or is that a word? I don't know, tell me. So although on one hand, like, my corporate work isn't going great, my YouTube work on the other hand is going great. I saw a comment the other day that just really made me feel super good about what I'm doing. Like, you guys comment quite a bit saying you enjoyed the content I put out, it's interesting. And the girl that commented was like, you know what, Mimi, you are a lot smaller than some of my favorite YouTubers, but you do get more views than them. So she's working with me at the moment, YouTube partner, that's like the managers at YouTube. They work with certain YouTubers who they feel to have potential. So I've been working with her for about a month now, and we have these meetings where we go through, okay, what can we do to make sure you guys keep enjoying the content that I'm bringing out, and, you know, make sure that people, when they come, they subscribe before they go. So that's been good. YouTube's been going well. They've started inviting me to events. I went to my first influencer event the other day, which was amazing. I got a goodie bag with like JBL speakers. I thought that was awesome. It was a Google Assistant event as well, so it's like big brands that I know about. Yeah, so that's going well. I'm super happy about that. And also I'm relaunching my merch. So I've seen the looking good, feeling good t-shirts out and about. In the past, I think I launched them maybe 8 months ago initially, and I'm relaunching them again because you guys like, when you see it, when I wear it, you guys are like, oh, when that's available, let us know. I wanted to go away and, you know, work on the pricing again, do what I can do to make it more affordable for everyone in America, my supporters in the UK, make sure shipping was affordable, make sure that the materials and the quality was good as well. And I feel like I've got it down now, so I'm not going to have loads of different like products, but what I am going to have, I feel like you guys will like. So we're already at like the 10th of November, but it should be launching November, maybe around Black Friday, I don't know. I kicked out one of my housemates, I have to whisper. I asked him to leave a few days ago, not because like he did anything, you know, to make me want him to leave, but just because I've been feeling like I need to change. Like every few months or sometimes every few years, I feel like I need a big change. Like moving back from Spain was a big change for me. You guys, you probably notice as well that sometimes you feel so demotivated, so uninspired, you feel like you're stuck in a rut. When that starts to happen to you, you need to change something, whether it's something little like your hair, or you know, where you live, or your job, or you know, countries. You need to be constantly changing, constantly growing, constantly evolving. And it doesn't have to be like, oh, you're moving on up. Just move sideways. Just constantly be moving, because otherwise you can start to feel like your life's not going anywhere. So I asked him to move out just because I wanted my space back. Obviously, wait, let me do something to my face. What are we doing next? It allowed me to move to Spain, and it's given me a lot of financial freedom to travel, to live a comfortable life. Yeah, it was a sacrifice, and it's a good one. It's a good investment. It's allowed me to live comfortably. But now I just feel like, you know, I need my space back. I am growing every day. I'm evolving. You know, I am getting older as well. And I feel like, you know, it's a little bit of a sacrifice income-wise. But in terms of like my personal well-being and where I'm at, it's definitely needed. So I'll be converting that. It's a small single bedroom, so I'll be converting it into office space where I can film and do my YouTube and really like separate like my living space from my office space. So yeah, so that's exciting. So in a few weeks he should be gone, and that's a project that I'm undertaking. I'm super excited about. I've actually like bought all the furniture this morning. So I know you guys want to know about my dating life. It's pretty non-existent. I cannot come and kill myself. I cannot come and die over dating. So like the Scandinavian guy was pretty much the last guy I dated. It still cracks me up when I think about you guys' comments and that whole scenario. But it is what it is. Haven't been on any dates recently, which is good. I'm enjoying myself. I'm focusing on business. I'm focusing on the launch of my merch, focusing on getting my new office space up to par. I've been buying a lot of furniture for that. I'm focusing on creating good content for you guys, thinking outside the box. So guys, that's mainly it. There's not like massive amounts of anything going on. I'm trying to get my edges back together, so I won't be wearing, you know, any got to be for about a month. I'm trying to figure out a way to enjoy my job again and get passionate about my job again, and trying not quitting every day. I'm not really dating at the moment, but I should probably put myself back out there. I don't know. I don't know. Should I? I'm really just tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's not every day useless, man. One day now I should get good one. Should a good one not come once in a while? Yeah, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to finish off the look and come back at the end and serve face. By the way, how cute is my top? I think it's from Topshop. Super cute, no? Hey guys, so this is the finished look, and don't we look so good? So I laid the baby hairs. This wig is not stuck down at all. No got to be glued in sight. It's just good enough with the pins in to get me out and about during the daytime, take it off at night. I'm protecting my edges, so give me a month and we will have the full edges back. Yes, so you guys keep a lookout for a natural hair video. I think I'm going to go to that Cantu event tomorrow. I'm going to come back with all the bits of knowledge that I learned. But yeah, we are looking good, feeling good. So yeah, don't forget you guys can check out this hair from Unice. It's 14 inches. It's Brazilian hair, water wave. The curls are popping. It's full. Looks super natural. Hey. So guys, I'm Mimi, just doing me. I'll catch you guys soon. Leave me a comment below, let me know what's going on in your lives, and yeah, ciao.